right, children? Very good. So, just already we saw the video of our food. Okay, the food we already started in the last class. Okay, do you watch the video? Very good. So once again, if you not watched it or if you forgot that, again I am repeating. Once carefully listen this class also. Okay. See what I am saying now. Which lesson I am saying now? The food we eat. Children, okay. Say again. What is our second lesson name? The food we eat. The food F-O-O-D. Food we eat. So already we started this lesson, completed. So half of the lesson completed. What we learned, how do we get, why do we need food? First of all tell me why I asked you to say we are saying to we eat food. So why we have to eat food? We have to get energy. We have to live. We have to need food to live first of all. So what I said to, what I said to first we have to need food to live. Yes? We have to need food to live. Then we have to need food to grow. To grow. We have to grow. You are small children. So we have to grow day by day. So if you are taking the good food, then you will grow healthy. Okay? So we need food to grow. And one more thing, that is to work. So if you want to do any work, to lifting your books, bags, or to walk, or to run, or to play, whatever the work you want to do, you have to get energy. So to work. W-O-R-K, works. Again, we need food to live. To live. Live spelling. What's the spelling of live? L-I-V-E. Live. Next, we need food to grow. We need food to grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Next, we need food to work. So, work. W-O-R-K. Work. So, by this, we have to need the food. Okay. So, by eating the food, what we will get? We will get the energy. If you are taking the food, we will get energy. What is the spelling of energy? E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. So, by getting the energy, so which type of food? How we are getting the food? So I am saying food, we have to take food, we will get energy, we can do all this work, everything I am saying. Then, how we are getting the food? Yes, already I said to you, we are getting the food from two. What are the two sources of our food? What are the two sources of food? Yes. What are those two sources, Ma? Plants and animals. What are those two sources? Plants and animals. So the spelling of plants? P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants and animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Plants and animals. These two are our sources. These are everything I explained in our before class. Okay. So this, from the plants, what we are getting? From the plants, we are getting fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, everything. See, from the plants, what we are getting? What I am getting? See that? Fruits. So, the spelling of fruits? F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Okay. Next, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Next, pulses and cereals. Pulses food I am saying the different types of how we are getting food, everything I said. Yes? Okay, now say in which time we have to eat the food. Now, can we eat the food in any time? No. Any time it should not be. In particular time we have to take our food. So, any time whatever wish, when we want to wish, in that time it should not be eaten. So, for the taking food also, there is a particular timings is there. If you are eating in that timings, you will get the good health. Okay? If you are not eating properly in the timings, then you will get indigestion problems, some stomach problems. So like that we will get. So I will say to you, how do you, in which timings we will take the food. Okay? Now see. Eating. Timings for eating. That means in which time we have to take our meals. Okay, tell me in a day how many times we can eat the meals? How many times we can take the food? Yes, very good. 3 times we will take it in daily. So when we will take that, we will take it morning. Say the morning spelling M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. And then after afternoon A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. And then next night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. In these 3 times we will take our food. Yes. In the meanwhile, in the evening time, we will take the snacks. But mainly, we will take our food in these 3 times. So tell me, if you are taking at the morning we will take. What we have called that? We will say that breakfast. When we will take our breakfast? At morning. So the spelling of breakfast? Yes. B-R-E-A-K. Break. F-A-S-T. Breakfast. What we will eat at the morning? That we are calling as a breakfast. Next. In afternoon time, what we will eat? That is called as a lunch. What in the afternoon time we will take our food. That is called as a lunch. Okay. In the night time, we are taking the food. That is called as a dinner. N-N-E-R. Dinner. Say again. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. See, what we are taking in the morning, that is called as a breakfast. And what we are taking in the afternoon, that is called as a lunch. And what we are taking in the night time, that is called as a dinner. Okay, what we are saying is evening. Evening we will take, what we are saying that? Snacks. Yes, snacks. What we are calling as? In the evening time we are taking that is a snacks. S-N-A-C-K. Snacks. Okay children, this is. Once again I will explain to you that in which timings we have to be take our food. I will show to you. Just again. See this children. We are taking our, these are the best timings. These are the best timings to take our food. See that. See what we are taking the breakfast. So in which time we have to take our breakfast? It is better to take 7 to 8 a.m. In between 7 to 8 a.m. if you are taking our breakfast, it will give to be very healthy. Okay, next. See in which time when we wake up, we have to take within 30 minutes. Okay, when we are take up, we have to take our breakfast within 30 minutes. Then it doesn't give any problems to us. So this is our breakfast time. It is better to take our breakfast at 7 to 8. Okay children, it is better to take our breakfast at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay children. Now next we will take our lunch. When we have to take our lunch? In which time we have to take our lunch? It is better to take 12 to 2 p.m. Okay. See 12 to 2 p.m. In the middle of that time, if you are taking our lunch, then we will get in, we should not get any problems. It gives more energy and more health to our body. Okay children, see this, we can see that this is our lunch time. Okay, see at 12 o'clock, if you are taking our lunch, then we will get more energy and more health. Okay, next we have to take our dinner. What I said next one? In the dinner. See dinner, it is better to take at 8 o'clock. It is better to take at 8 o'clock our dinner. See in the time 8 to 9 between. 8 to 9 between, if you are taking our dinner, then it also gives us more energy, and it is better to take before going to the bed. Before 2 hours going to the bed, it is better to take our dinner. It should be digested before going to the bed. Okay children, see once again I will say to you. See children, what I am taking at morning, that we are saying is a breakfast. That we are saying is a breakfast. In which timings we have to take our breakfast? See at morning 8 a.m. to, it is better to morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay children, it is in between this time we should finish our breakfast. It is very good for our health. Okay. Next, we have to take our lunch. Lunch means when we take it afternoon. When we take it afternoon, that is called as a lunch. So it is better to take 12 noon. 12 noon to 12 noon to 2 o'clock. In between. Okay, our lunch or breakfast or our dinner. Okay children, once again I am saying to you that breakfast we should be taken in between. So you should in between 8 to 9 a.m. Okay, so you didn't take up to 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, not now. In between this time you should come finish your breakfast. So you should not take the time for 15 minutes only for eating breakfast or lunch or dinner, whatever you will eat. We have to finish our food, see breakfast or lunch within 15 minutes. Okay. So that is again lunch. When we take a lunch in the afternoon time, that is 12 noon to 2 p.m. In between 12 to 2 p.m. So you should not go to after 2 o'clock. In between 12 to 2 o'clock, we should finish our lunch. Next we should next dinner. What we are taking at the night? Sure, that is a dinner. That we have to finish 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. In between 8 to 9 p.m. snacks. But after the 5 o'clock, we should not take any snacks. Okay, children. These are the timings for eating. Good timings, ma'am. Okay, if you are following these timings, we should get a good health and energy. Okay, good children. See now, if you are taking, okay. So which type of food we have to take? I will say to you. Now I will say to you what are the good eating habits. So what are the good eating habits? I will say to you. Good eating habits. Okay, children. That means so which type of food we have to take, in which timings, how we have to take the food. First of all, I will say to you the first thing, everyone, while if you are starting to eat anything, what we have to do? Tell me, children, first. What we have to do? Yes, we have to wash our hands and legs thoroughly. We should wash our hands. We should wash our hands. We should wash our hands and legs with soap, water. We have to use soap and water. Then first thing, whenever you want to eat anything, if you want to eat a biscuit or if you want to eat a fruit or lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to eat, first we have to wash our hands. First, what we have to do? We have to wash our hands. Wash our hands. Next, what we have to do the next? Next, we should use clean things. That means plates, spoons. In clean plates, you should eat with clean things. Whatever we should use only clean things. Use clean things. So, is the things, the plates, spoons is washed or not, you have to check. Whether it is clean or not, we have to check. Then only you can use only clean things. That means plates and spoons. And you should eat only in the clean place. Eat only in clean places. So you should clean places, and we should drink sufficient water. Clean, pure water. Drink pure water. Drink pure water. So when we used to eat anything, we should take a pure water also. Okay, then next, what are our see, we should not use to eat, we should use to fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Then next, whatever the next thing is, whatever see what are some we can say whatever eating good habits. Eating times, yes, I said only now what I said to before. We should follow the timing. We should follow the timings. We should follow the timings. These are the eating good habits. Say again, I am saying to you, what are the eating good habits? See, we should wash our hands. We should wash our hands. Next, we should use to clean things. We should use clean things only. Okay. Next, we should eat only in the clean places. See, some are using to sit outside or roaming that side and this side. They will use like that. We should not do like that. We have to sit in one clean place. In the dining table, it is better to sit on the dining also. Then use, whenever we are eating the food, we use only clean things. Whatever we use, plates, spoons, glasses, whatever we are using, we should only clean things. Next, eat only clean places. Eat only clean places. So you should not go to. See children, I said to wash your hands. So that means, see, if you will go to anywhere or anything, what will be happens? See, now I use the chalk. See, our handful of hand is with the chalkboard. So can I eat with this hand anything? Is it a good way? No. So what I have to do? I have to wash my hands. Yes. So like that, if you also you are eating breakfast, lunch or anything, what playing? So what we have to do? We have to wash our hands. We have should, so by using only with the soap or any only water you should not. We have to use a little bit of soap also. Okay, use the soap, then you can wash your hands thoroughly. Then only you have to go for lunch or you have to go to eat. Okay. So if you are finished your eating, then what you have to do? You can what you have to do? Can you go like that? No. Then also we have to wash our hands. Yes. Then also again we have to use water and so then you can wash your hands. Then otherwise what will be happens? The food what is there on that, it will be remains on our hands. It seems to be very dirty and it gives some diseases, germs, everything will be comes on our hands. Okay children. So what we have to do? Do you understand? What we have to do before eating and after eating, what I have said? Yeah, we have to wash our hands. We have to wash our hands with the soap and water. Okay, next. We should use clean things. What I say? Clean things means, can we eat yesterday used a plate or a spoon? Can you use to eat that plate only? Can we eat? See, it seems to be very dirty. Yes? Yes. So that way, what we have to use? We should take a neat, clean plate. See what is washed. Okay, neatly. The plates, spoons and glasses for drinking water. Glasses, everything should be used. Which we are eating the things. Which things we will use to eat. That thing should be, how it is should be very neat and clean. Regularly we have to use to wash our that things, plates, spoons and everything we have to clean. So then only we have to use the things for eating. So we should not eat it in the dirty things. Okay children, the dirty things we should not use to eat. Next, eat only in clean places. That means can we sit outside while the houseflies, mosquitoes are coming? Can we eat in that places? No, we should not. Or roaming in the room. So going to that side, this side, that side. Can we eat like that by eating and roaming? That is a good thing? No, should not. See, what will be happens? Mommy will scold you now. Hey, don't go to that side. Sit on one place. Like that way the mommy will scold you. Yes, you have to be sit in a particular, in the dining table it is better. If you not have dining table, sit in one clean place. In one clean place. So if there is a dustbin, near the dustbin or near the door, like that you should not sit. In a clean place you can sit. Then you can eat slowly. Okay. See, next we have to drink pure water. We should, while taking the water also, we should careful. Okay children. See, tell to mother give a clean water, glass of water. The clean water we can take from the filter. Okay. Take and drink water also. Then it is very good habit to taking fresh fruits and vegetables. So what are the fruits and vegetables? Everything is there in our surroundings. Okay, you should say that it is some children. You will say, "Mommy, carrot I don't eat. I don't want to like it." So like that you will say. But you should not say carrot is very good for us. Carrot is very good. If you say if you are taking the carrot daily in our meals or in our food habits, it doesn't give any side problems. Okay, fresh fruits also. We have to take a fresh fruits. So in our market is available apples, mangoes, everything, so many grapes, oranges, everything is available. In our daily food habits, we should take every day any fruit which you like. But we have to wash it thoroughly. Then you take the fruits also. Okay children, next. See, in the before only I said to you, follow the timings. So, can you eat take the breakfast at 10 o'clock? Is it good? No. Can you take the lunch in 3 o'clock? No. We should follow the timings. So, that means we should take our breakfast before 8 o'clock. It is better to take it before 9 o'clock. Okay. So, like that, in daily in a particular time, if you take daily breakfast at 7:30 or 8 o'clock, or lunch in 12:30. So, dinner at 8 o'clock. If you are regularly, if you are taking the timings, then it is very good for you. See children, see. See, these are the very eat your good health. These all will gives to you good health. See, meat, fat products. Fat products means what? Meat means what? You like to eat chicken? Yes. You like to eat fish? Yes. France, like that everything if you are taking, you will get good health also. Next, fats. Ghee, do you like to eat ghee? Yes. Cheese, butter. If you are taking daily, you will get also, then also you will get good. Next, milk, bread. In your breakfast, what I said, every day we should take one glass of milk. Yes, we should. You are growing people now, small people you are. So you have to go get a good health. You have to grow up very healthy. So you should take one glass of water, milk. Next, fruits. So many types of fruits already I shown to you. See, these are all the fruits. These are all the vegetables. All vegetables. You will say if your mummy prepares any curry, you will say no, I don't want like to eat peas or I don't want to like eat potato like that. You should eat all the vegetables. Whatever mummy prepares curry, vegetable curry, you should eat all the vegetables also. Next, grains. See, this type of grains. So, you like to eat? Yes, very good. These all our eating good health. Okay, Sinana? Okay, very good. See, now I will say to you. See, can I say once again? Should wash. What I say? We should wash our hands. We should wash our hands. Next, before eating and after eating. Before eating and after eating also we should wash our hands. Next, we should only clean things only. Next, in the clean places only. We should eat only in the clean places. We should not go to anywhere that side, outside like that. We should not. Okay, children. Now, we should drink only pure water. Which water we have to drink? Pure water. It is better to take warm water. వేడి నీళ్ళు తాగితే ఇంకా మంచిది. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్స్ అండ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్. Vegetables in our daily food, we should take the fruits and vegetables and follow the timings also. Now, I will explain to you. So, you should learn how to eat, in which timings you eat, and what are the good habits to eat, I said. So you must follow these good habits. These follow the what I said now. You should follow this. So then you will get better, good health. Okay, very good. Thank you. In the next class, I will say to you the bad habits which you should not do. We should not do. I will say in the next class. Okay. Bye.